Hey everyone, I've been caught up with a bunch of stuff lately, but I'm finally back. It's been a while, really happy to see you all again. AI is getting better at your job every single day. You're probably delegating more and more tasks to it. Drafting emails, writing code, summarizing reports. But what if that was a trap? What if, by letting AI do your work, you are actively training your own replacement? Today, we're flipping that script. I'm going to show you how to turn delegation into domination. This is how you overtake AI before it takes your job. Now, the fear of being replaced is real. AI is faster and in many cases more accurate, but it has two fundamental flaws that you can exploit. First, there's the issue of hallucinations. AI can state falsehoods with absolute confidence. Second, there is a complete lack of responsibility. When something goes wrong, the machine doesn't get fired. You do. These aren't just minor bugs. They are structural weaknesses, and understanding these weaknesses is the first step to building your strategy. This brings me to the core of my argument. When you give a task to AI, your work doesn't end there. In fact, that's when the real work begins. I don't just take the output and move on. I analyze it. I learn its structure. I prepare myself to one day step into that role and do it myself, but better. AI isn't just a tool that does things for you. It's the most powerful learning accelerator you've ever had. By reviewing its generated text, you learn new ways to communicate. By studying its summaries, you learn to identify core structures in complex information. And most importantly, by catching and correcting its mistakes, you sharpen your own critical thinking. When I delegate a task to AI, I don't just passively accept the result. I become a hunter. I analyze and interpret everything it produces, preparing to one day build it myself. Through this process, I am constantly learning how the machine thinks, how it structures arguments, and how it executes tasks. This is how you transform from being a simple user into a learner who reverse engineers the AI's process. Ultimately, you become someone who can not only do the AI's job, but can direct, correct, and transcend it. So this isn't just another video about using AI better. This is a strategic blueprint for your career. It's simple. First, never just copy-paste the results. Second, always observe the process and try to reverse engineer it. And third, use that knowledge to learn the underlying structure of the work so that one day you won't need the AI for that task at all. That is how you build true, irreplaceable expertise. Turning AI from a replacement threat into a strategic advantage, that's the kind of thinking we explore here. This is ByteBoardroom, where a single byte of code transforms into a powerful business decision. We're a community for back-end engineers, data scientists, and business leaders who want to build, manage, and optimize large language models for real-world results. We're here to connect model minds to boardroom results and accelerate your career. If this is the kind of strategy you need to survive and thrive, make sure to subscribe. In this new era, it's not just an option, it's a survival plan. See you next time.